Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Drift, complete guide step by step clearly. To start the installation of Drift, ensure your device meets the system requirements. Begin by downloading the Drift installation file from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch the setup process. You may be prompted to allow changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Choose your preferred installation language from the drop-down menu. Click Next to advance to the License Agreement section. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, select the checkbox to accept the license terms. Click Next to continue with the installation. Select the installation directory where you want Drift to be installed. You can either accept the default location or browse for another folder. After choosing the directory, click Next to move on. The setup will offer options to create shortcuts for easy access. Decide whether to create them and make your selection. Click Next to proceed to the final confirmation screen. Review your choices to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, click Install to begin the installation. The installation process may take a few moments. Once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to exit the setup wizard. To launch Drift, find the shortcut on your desktop or in the directory you selected. Double-click the Drift icon to open the application. Follow any additional setup prompts that appear during your first launch. You are now ready to start using Drift and explore its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.